This is something, to me, that a husband and wife team can do together. Because being military, especially 27 years, he was away a lot, and I missed him. And now that we're retired, this is a whole new purpose. My name is Shelly. I'm originally from Louisville, Kentucky.
My name's Nico. I'm originally from Africa, born in Africa. My dad's American, so my ticket to America is when I joined the Army. I was able to come to America and served a total of 27 plus years in the Army.
I'm a veteran, former law enforcement, and it started for us about 2 years ago on this journey.
My interest in the NRVTA started, like Shelly said, about 2 years ago. I originally went to another school focusing on how to maintain our own RV since we full-time in our fifth wheel. I was looking for something a little bit more where hands-on was very important for me because I'm a very hands-on, touchy-feely kind of person. And the research from online showed that NRVTA has the largest hands-on RV technician career college in the nation. The hands-on experience is phenomenal because I think in each subject during each week, we dive so deep into it. At first it's overwhelming and it's almost scary in a way. But then you come out and you're like, okay, I don't need a deep snorkel. I can float very well with the knowledge gained from going from multiple air conditions, multiple refrigerators with multiple faults and various things, from a full-blown trailer to work on the leveling system or pulling slides out of an RV, which never done before, and now we're dissecting into the water heaters and furnaces. It just gives you a great scope on the overall requirements for a mobile RV tech. I
was going to be his helper or his technician, and as we watched the videos, we quickly observed there's another path here. There's a whole nother path you can take called RV inspector. And when I saw that, I got very excited and started doing the research. And of course, being able to use the GI benefits so we both can come has helped us both be here at the same time. He can take the tech course. I took the RV inspector course. The instructor first and his wife, they've been doing this a long time, so they are experts in the field. And it is very intense, but you don't leave here without doing 2 full inspections.
I've retired from the military with many years of experience, and I was one of those individuals that struggled with life after the Army. Who am I? What's my identity? And what's my purpose in life? I clammed up, I pushed away. It took me a little bit of time to crawl out of that, and still working on it. And I'd like to reach out to my fellow brothers and sisters who are perhaps struggling. If consider perhaps doing something as a new career in either RV technician, RV inspector. It's a wonderful lifestyle. It does bring joy to my heart that I'm finding my way, and you can find yours as well.
He's going to help me be a phenomenal inspector, and I'm going to help him be a phenomenal technician. And through that, we're going to feed off each other and learn and grow and continue our big adventure in life, because that's kind of how our life has been in the past. To us, RVing became a healing place, a happy place. So we love that, and that's part of our life. That's our life now. But now, through the NRVTA and all that it has to offer, whether it's tech, whether it's technician, or the many paths that you can find here, we get to add a purpose to that, passion. And to us, passion with purpose, there's no better life. And so we encourage anyone that's out there that wants to try something new, go for RVing first and get out there and say, wow, look at this. I'd like to have this in my life all the time. How can you do that? Well, add a little purpose to that and you will quickly find a way. And NRVTA, it leads that way, I feel like, in the industry.
Mm-hmm.